We've got Mejor. We're using their Blanco, which I haven't used a lot because their pink's amazing. Their Añejo, the Reposado, but I always go back to the Blanco.
And you know, a few weeks ago, we had the owner down here.
Angel.
Angel was here,
Nice guy.
mixing up. He calls every week when he watches the episode and says he sees the viewers sending in send info at Hot Mixology for any comments. Go on hotmixology.com. You can become a member. Add your recipes to it. Tell us what you're doing with Mejor Tequila with shark water.
With shark water, the tropical liqueur.
Tropical liqueur. So Mejor Tequila.
We added Sprite, 7-Up, lemon lime soda, orange juice, sour, and then topped it off with our tropical liqueur, shark water. It's Angel Sunset.
What a
speaking
cool
of.
color of that, huh?
Yeah, that is a great color.
What a beautiful, who didn't get one here? Jen, you didn't get one. I want to know what you think of this.
The citrus is really good.
You like the citrus on it? The tequila is very smooth. No, you don't even taste the tequila. It's very nice. It's a good tequila.